From a trade war ramping up again to yet another record for Nvidia, this is the week in numbers. 50% was the tariff imposed on Brazil by Donald Trump as he broadened his global trade war.
Brazil, as an example, has been not good to us, not good at all.
The US president linked the move to the prosecution of former Brazilian leader Jair Bolsonaro on charges of plotting a coup. He called that a witch hunt. Brazil has vowed to retaliate if the duties kick in on August 1st as scheduled. 35% was the tariff set for Canadian goods later in the week, and Trump warned country Prime Minister Mark Carney that the levies would get higher still if there was any retaliation. Meanwhile, copper was singled out for a 50% tariff, which the president says will help rebuild US production of the metal. Just over 20,630 points was the record closing high set by the Nasdaq stock index on Thursday. The broader S&P 500 also scaled a new peak despite the trade turmoil. SimCorp Managing Director Melissa Brown says investors feel they know the worst by now.
Of course, we don't know if that's really true, but I think that's the general prevailing sentiment in the market, is that we've seen the worst. Yeah, it might hurt inflation a little bit, it might hurt the economy a little bit, but it's probably not going to have a major impact.
$4 trillion was the record value hit by Nvidia the same day, helping drive the overall gains for stocks. That cemented its status as the world's most valuable firm, ahead of Microsoft. The rise has been driven by renewed bets that Nvidia will be the big winner from the AI boom. But almost 8% was the plunge for shares in Tesla earlier in the week, after boss Elon Musk said he was setting up a new political party. Investors were alarmed by the move, which reignited the billionaire's recent feud with Trump. It also sparked new doubts over whether Musk will be able to focus on reviving Tesla, which faces slumping sales.